हेलो बच्चे, कैसे हैं? सब ठीक ठाक? Everybody is all right? I hope so. Today we shall do what? The board questions. Okay? So in this video I will give some solutions of the important board question. This is one of the important question. Generally board में ऐसा ही sums आता है. ये general formula देकर sums है. कैसे देखो? Find that sum of first 25 terms of an AP whose nth term is given by 2 minus 3n. Okay, this is given. So you have to find out. This is our general term. Most of the examination, this type of sums comes in board exams. I have seen this type of sums comes. The general term may be 3n minus 4 or 3n minus 5n minus 7, like this type of sums will come. Always general term he will give, and he will give the 25th term or 12th term or whatever may be the term he will give, and sometimes he will say find the find, and sometimes he says nth term he gives, yes, sum of n terms he will give and put this answer also. This general term he will put. Sum of the sum of n terms of the give of AP will be this one, sum. But here he said whose nth term is given, this one. This is nth term is given here. So let us see how it will be. So whenever in the exam you are there and when you are reading the question, always what you do beta, just if you read the question, you will not be able to understand what it is. It goes zoom sometimes, and you will be in tension also sometimes. So that's why what he has given with calm and quiet brain, what you will do, first you take the data. What sum he said, find the sum he said. That means Sn equals to how much he said. And then what he said, first 25 terms, that means 25 terms. A he is given, he is not given. N equals to 25 he says. For A1, A2 like that he there. But how many terms are there? There are 25 terms are there, he said. And whose nth term is what? Nth term is what? Instead of number, what he gave? The general formula. I mean 2 minus 3n. कभी 2 minus 3n नहीं के nth term is 72 या 65 32 समथिंग देते हैं, लेकिन संख्या के बदले में वो क्या दिया? 2 minus 3n दे दिया. कोई बात नहीं, सेम सोचो, इसको संख्या ही दिया तो इसका मतलब हमको nth term दिया है, n दिया है, बट a नहीं है, d नहीं है. But here what? There is no a, there is no d. Only nth term he has given and the number of terms he has given. So how to find out? So from this only we can find out A1 and A2 and A2. Then from there you can find out the common difference. Then you can find the Sn. So we know that Sn formula. Sn equals to what? N upon 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into d. You see, in this case we need A and D, then we can solve this formula. Isn't it? Sum we can find out. Because n we know 25, A we don't know. If you find out A we can find out, then n we know, D we don't know. So from this formula also we can, from this also we can find nth term if you find out, or 25th term if you find out, that will be our last term, A plus D. That Sn equals to what? N upon 2 into first term and last term. This formula also we can get it if you know that nth term. Nth term what is that? 25th term if you know, we can put it. Either this way also you can do, that way. But first thing what? We should know A. Here A and An, and here we should know A and D. Let's see this formula we shall do it. So so what is our general term? Nth term is what? An equals to 2 minus 3n. So if n is 1, only n is 1. How many terms? Only one term is there. That means a n, in place of n what will go to 1. Then 2 minus 3, n के जगह में क्या डाल देंगे? 1 डाल देंगे. What we will put in n's place? 1. So a1 equals to 2 minus 3. That is a1 equals to minus minus 1. Okay, our A1 has come. Then next, if n equals to 2, what is our general formula? An, that is same formula. So An equals to 2 minus 3n. Putting the n is 2. Suppose 2 terms are there. 2 minus 3 into 2. That equals to A2 equals to 2 minus 6. That equals to minus 4. This is our A2. So what is our A1 is minus 1. A2 is minus 4. Okay. Now let's see the difference. A2 minus A1. What is difference? A2 is minus 4 minus 1. A1 is what? Minus 1. Formula is A2 minus A1. So always better when the minus is there, two signs are there, then you have to put the bracket, and with this sign you have to multiply the sign which is inside the bracket first. Then you multiply the number. So minus into minus is what? Plus. So D equals to minus 3. Our D has minus 3. Okay. So we can put in this formula. So or we can find out another 25, A25 also you can find out. So you see, so now this formula I shall apply. Which one? This one. Sn equals to n upon 2 into first term plus last term. If I do this, I need another term. What is that? 25 I need, isn't it? So A 25 equals to A plus 24D. ठीक है? So A कितना है हमारा? minus 1 plus 24 into D is minus 3. That is minus 1 minus 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 1 7. That equals to minus 73. A25 is minus 73. Okay. Now we can put easily in this. Sn equals to n upon 2 into A plus L. ठीक है? So that implies Sn 25, n is 25, है ना? 25 upon 2. What is our first term? First term is minus 1. What is our next term? Next L is what? Minus 73. This equals to Sn equals to 25 upon 2 into minus 74. 2 3s are 2 7s are. That equals Sn equals to 25 into minus 37. So this is 25 7s are 35, 3 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, 25, 3s are 75. So 5 to 9. Minus 9 to 5 is the answer. Okay? Got it? So suppose you want to do in this way you want to do. Okay? Because after getting A and D, you can put directly here again and you find out. After that again you put it. So instead of this, we can do this formula. You see Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2 into A is minus 1 plus n is 25 minus 1 is 24 into D is minus 3. So this is 25 upon 2 into minus 2 minus 3 4s are 12, 3 to 72. This one should come minus 2A, isn't it? Minus 2. Minus 2. Okay? Now is okay? So now, okay? 25 upon 2. 2 1s are 2. Plus into minus is minus. 3 4s are 12, 1. 3 2s are 6, 1. 7, 72. Now this will become 25 upon 2 into minus 74. You see the same thing. So 2 minus 37. That is 25 into minus 37. That equals minus how much? 925. Okay, this is smallest method. You found the A, then D, then after that you can go straight away this formula. Okay, so it is, you can get very quickly. So here again you have to find what? Nth term, 25th term you have to find out, then you put in the formula. So this, whatever way you like, you can do it. Okay, you got it? So अब चलेंगे दूसरे sum पे. Okay, we shall do another sum. Okay. Okay, you see this is also, I told you this is also in 2004, same type of sum. This I have given to you, you do yourself. What is that? Find the sum of first 25 terms of an AP whose nth term is given 7 minus 3n. Here also same like previous. So three papers will be there, no, in boards. So first in one paper one might have given that person. This may be, he might have given in second paper or third paper, three types, A, B, C, like that, three types of papers will be there. So one of the two papers, this same term sum is given, but only they changed the numbers. There it was 2 minus, what was it? 2 minus 3n it was there. Here 7 minus 3n. Here, there also he has given nth term, and here also he has given nth term. Now let's see another question. Okay. Now you do yourself. If you have any problem or something, you can write in the comment box so that I can give this solution in next class. Okay. Now you see, it has come in, this question has come in 2005 CBSE. So he is saying this is very important. This is also one of the important questions. What he says, how many terms of AP must be taken? These are the things to be AP. These are the numbers to be taken so that their sum is 0. If you add all these things, what it will come? 0 will come. You see how interesting. So he said he gave the answer. Only we have to prove it. So let's see what he has given, that we shall write down. So how many terms? How many terms? That means n equals to. He asked how many terms of AP is what? AP is 63, 60, 57. Dash is given, so that their sum is, the sum Sn equals to 0. Okay, this we have to prove it. So let us say, now what is our AP? AP is 63. What is our A? 63, 60, 57, dash is there. So let us write A1 equals to 63. And A2 equals to 60. Now let us do that difference. A2 minus A1. Difference is, that implies difference equals to A2 is what? 60 minus A1 is 63. That implies D equals to 6 minus 3. D is minus 3. Okay? D हमारा आ गया. So now we know A, we know D. Find the number of terms, that is n. So A and nth term, what do we, whether we know or not? No, nth term also we don't know. So nth term is what? An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, isn't it? So here you see, nth term तो ये formula apply कर सकते हैं. We can apply this formula. Okay, A we know, okay, N we don't know, D we know, but nth term also we don't know. So we can't find out. Two things is not given. So that's why we cannot find out. Let's see then how to do. Let's put this formula. Sn equals to what? A n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. In this formula we see what the things we don't know. We know this, we don't know this one. We know this, we don't know. This D we know. So we can put in this formula. Got it? एक चीज अगर मालूम नहीं तो वही यूज करेंगे। यहाँ देखो, यहाँ दो चीज हमको मालूम है, कौन सा nth टर्म भी मालूम नहीं, लास्ट टर्म भी मालूम नहीं है, और ये तो सम दिया है, एडिंग, दैट इज sum he is given but not the nth term. Nth term is not given, n also not there, so only we know a and d, but we don't know this and this. So two things we don't know, that's why we cannot find it. But here you see we know this, we don't know this, we don't know this, we know this, we don't, same n, so we know this, everything we know, this also we know, all things we know, only n we don't know. That's why we shall go for this formula. So put Sn is how much? 0 is set. So n upon 2, then 2a. What is our a? A is 63 plus n, we don't know, n minus 1. What is our d? D is minus 3. 0 equals to n upon 2, 3 2 are 6, 26 minus 3n minus 1 plus 3. Equals to 0 equals to n upon 2 into 126 plus 3 minus 3n. Okay, what we did? We multiplied this, n a is what? 63, then n we don't know, and d is minus 3. So now we multiply 63 into 2, that is 126. Minus into plus is here, minus into plus is minus 3n. So minus into minus is plus 3. Now these two things we put together. Now that equals to n upon, these are implies. Before you see equal, what we have to put? Implies we have to put it. So n upon 0 is equals to n upon 2 into this is 129 minus 3n. 126 plus 3 is 129 minus 3n. So now let us do this way. So n upon 2 into 129 minus 3n is equals to 0. So 129 minus 3n is equals to 0 into something is 0. है ना, 0 into this one 2 upon n, that is what? 0, है ना, so there is no meaning. So 129 minus 3n is equals to 0. Minus 3n equals to this one, 129 will go other side, that is minus 129. Okay, both side minus, you multiply with minus, this one will become plus 3n equals to plus 129. n equals to 129 upon 3, because 3 into n, other side when it goes, it becomes division. So you divide. So 3 4s are 3s are. How many terms? 43 terms are there. If you add 43 terms, then what our answer will come? Our answer will be, the sum will be 0. So what you will say? How many terms are there? How many terms? 43 terms are there. Where? There in the given AP. Okay? Given AP. So that their sum, है ना, their sum is will be 0 or it will be 0. Okay, this is the answer. 43 is the answer. 43rd term. 43 terms. This is the answer. 43 terms are there. Okay. Now let's do next sum. So this type sums also very important. What is saying? Find the sum of 3-digit number divisible by 13. That has come in the year 2006. And similarly, another sum also came. So same number, find the sum of 3-digit number divisible by 11. Yeah, divisible by 9, like that it comes. This is also one of the important question. So, or sometimes he may give, find the sum of 2-digit numbers divisible by 4. This has come in 2017. So, and multiple will also come. So, that I also tell you. But this one, let's solve this sum. Find the sum of 3-digit number divisible by 13. We know 3-digit number, what is that? 3-digit number starts from 100, then it goes on, ends with what? 999. So these numbers should be divisible by 13. But we know that 100 is not divisible by 13. So instead of going 13 table, what you will do? You will divide 100, you divide by 13. So 13, 7s are 91. So remain 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9. So what you will do? You can't add, subtract. Directly if you subtract, what happens? If you subtract at least 1, then it becomes the 2-digit number will come. So that's why subtraction method, addition. Addition you have to go back side. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 plus 100 is 104. Our what is that? AP what will become? 104. Then comes 100. You add it here. 13 you add 3, 7 and 1. Then you add 130. This way it goes on. But what is the last number? Nth term is what? So again you divide by 900. So 13 7s are 91. Then it becomes 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 999 we have to divide. 999 divided by 13. 13 7s are 91. 9 minus 89. 13 6 are 80. 9 minus 8 is 1. So you can't add here. If you add 1, that becomes again 4 digits. Smallest number will come. So therefore subtraction. In case of subtraction, you go straight. So 999 minus 11. So that will become 988. Okay. So what is our A1? A1 is 104. What is our D? D is our 13 because divisible by 13 he says. That's why D is 13. What is our nth term? Nth term is 988. So what we have to find out? We have to find out how many terms we have to find. Then we say that sum we can find out. So because we know n, we have to know it. We know A, we know nth term, a first term and last term we know. But we know D, but we don't know the nth term. So n equals to how much? So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is our nth term? Nth term is 988. What is a? 104 plus n. What is our n? We don't know. What is our d? D is 13. So 988 equals to 104 plus 13n plus into minus is minus 113 ones are 13. So 988 equals to 13n plus 4 minus 3 is 1, 10 minus 1, 91. Now 13n plus 91 equals to 988. We have to do all here implies because equals. Okay. So now this implies that is 13n equals to 988 minus 91. That will become 988 minus 91. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 1 8, 7. So here 9 8 9 7. Here 8 remain. Okay, 97. Okay. Now n equals to 897 divided by 13. So 8 and 7 divided by 13. Hmm. 69. N equals to 69. 13 nines are 117. So how many terms are there? 69 terms are there. So what is asking? Find the sum, he said. Sum equals to Sn equals to n upon 2. We know A, we know L. Okay. So now 69 upon 2. ठीक है, तो A के लिए हम क्या डालेंगे? 104. What is our nth term? Nth term is 988. Okay, now we shall add it up. So 10498. You know also you have to do it. Okay. Addition. But you have to see whether same has come or not. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 1 10. So 10 9 2. Now divide by 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. That is 69 into 546. Now we have to multiply this. 546 into 69. This is the answer. 37674. Just you multiply and see whether it is correct or not. 9 6 are 54. 5 9 4s are 36. 36 5 41. 1 4 4 9 5s are 45 or 4 49. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 is 32. Addition you see 4 7 9 plus 9 1 10 10 plus 16 1 4 2 6 1 7 3. Yes, addition also ours correct. So we shall go to the next question. What you will write here? The answer. The sum of, what you will write? The sum of 3-digit number which are divisible by 13 is this one. We will write what? 674. 37674. Yes, I have written correct. Okay, this way you have to do it. So this is also same way. 9 divisible by 9. First you will see 100. Same method. Then last number will be, this is divisible in the last, another term will be remain same. But 2-digit means the smallest 2-digit is what? 10. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. Whether this is divisible by 4 or not, you have to find. That is what? 12. Then here also you have to find 4. 4 2s are 8. 99 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Last one will become 96. Then you can find n. Then you can find n. After that you can do the Sn formula same time. Now let's go for the multiple. That also came in 1 or 2 exams. Okay, we shall do multiple sum. अच्छा, अभी ये सम देखो, वो तो डिवीजन वाला करा दिया. That was division, but this is multiples. Find the sum of 8 multiples of 3. 3 in 3 table, first 8 multiples. That sum we have to find it out. How to do it? Find the sum of 8 multiples. What is 8 multiple means? N is 8. What is A1? A1 is 3. What is D? D also 3 because multiple of 3. First one will become what? AP. What is AP? AP is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Like that 8 multiples are there. So what we shall do? Now we know that A we know D, we know N. So now let us see the nth term. Nth term equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A we know, N we know, 8 multiples, N we know. So D also we know, we can find the nth term. A N equals to what is A? A is 3 plus N is 8, 8 minus 1 into D is 3. That is nth term equals to 3 plus 7 into 3. That equals to 3 plus 21. That equals to 24. Like that you can do. Here 8th term a plus 70 also you can find out. A plus 70. Okay. Straight away. You need not do all these two steps. You can omit. Okay. So now we got what? 8th term is 24. That is our nth term. Nth term equals to 24. So Sn is saying Sn equals to n upon 2 into a plus L. We know first term, we know last term, we know terms. So what is 8 terms sum? 8 upon 2. A is 3. This is 24. So this formula we shall do. We know A and 8th term 4. Okay. Now let's solve it. That implies 8, that 4, then into, this is 27, 24, 25, 26, 27, that equals to S8, implies S8 equals to 4 7s are 28, 2, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Isn't it? 108. So sum of 8 multiples 3 is 108. Right? This way you can do it. See? Okay? And 8 multiples of 8. So second question also it has come in 2017. What is? Find the sum of 15 multiples of 8. Sum of 15 multiples. N is 15. 8. 8 will start from where? 8 ones are 8. Like that it goes 15. So next will become 16. Then 24 dash dash dash. Then you can find the number of terms we know. What is that? 15. We know number of terms. A1 we know. A1 is 8. And D we know. 8. So we don't know nth term. To find the nth term, this way you will find out. Then Sn you can do it. This sum you can do the same way. You try. If you can't, you can give in the comment box. Then next is what? Find the sum of 3-digit number multiples of 11. Same way. Multiples of 11. You see, this one I shall find out. 3-digit. That should be multiple of 11. 11 come multiple. That should come 3 digits. So 11 tens are 110. Isn't it? That is 110. Then again, next one will become 110 plus 11. 121. Next will become 11. You add it. 1, 3, 2. This way. But the last term, how you will do? 999. You divide that way. So that will come 990. 90, 11 9s are 99. So 90, 11 90s are 990. So we know first term, we know last term, we know D. Though N we shall find out this way. N we shall find out this way. What? N we know. Okay. N is how many? Find the 3-digit number multiples of 11. Find the sum of 3-digit number. So multiples. So we have to take out the N. We have to find out how many terms. N equals to N equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we see nth term we know 999. A we know. I am doing quickly this one. N we don't know. N minus 1. D is 11. So 990 equals 110 plus 11N minus 11. So this way you can find out the N. Okay. After that you can put in Sn. You know the first term. You can know the last term. We know N from here, and you can get it. Okay. This you can do. Suppose you can't do, you can ask me in the comment box. I will solve this one. See you. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.